DB Schenker is the #1 when it comes to the exchange of merchandise in industry and commerce and has around 100 branches in Germany. In all aspects of logistics business, punctuality and exemplary service quality are fundamental principles because in this highly competitive services market, these are the decisive factors when awarding contracts. Air cleaning systems from Zehnder Clean Air Solutions therefore play an integral role for Schenker in ensuring it lives up to these principles.
As a global logistics company, we naturally have a certain reputation to maintain, and when a customer visits our warehouse, the first impression sets the tone for what the company represents.
Schenker's premise appearances ultimately influence its brand image, and it's the pleasant appearance that gains the trust of the customer. Success is achieved when you work cleanly, when you have a clean warehouse, when the employees are clean, and when the goods stay clean.
Quality customer service means satisfying customer requirements, and it is relatively simple. Deliver the goods at the right time, to the right place, and in pristine and perfect condition. So, ultimately, cleanliness and punctuality are the top priorities in our sector.
Customers like Schenker epitomize exceptional quality, and the customers of Schenker too expect a certain level of quality.
In the past, high levels of dust meant that Schenker could only maintain this quality standard with intensive cleaning. Dust particles were getting in through open doors and windows or were created during daily work processes. Air movement distributed these dust particles throughout the warehouse, depositing them on goods and machines. This phenomenon not only had an adverse effect on product quality and machine functioning, but also on the appearance of the warehouses.
In the past, to maintain a tidy premise and clean goods, we had to sweep the goods that were with us at the terminal or in the warehouse for an extended period, as a layer of dust would form over time. Our employees swept these goods. They actually went over them with a broom.
We were always aware that something had to be done in this regard, but we did not have any idea how we could tackle this.
Air cleaning was actually brought to my attention by a colleague. He said, "Look, I've been approached with this excellent solution. We can finally purify the air."
The intelligent air cleaning systems from Zehnder Clean Air Solutions filter dust particles directly at their source, preventing fine and coarse dust from settling on goods or machines. Air cleaning also benefits employees as they're now breathing in much healthier air. Zehnder Clean Air Solutions uses a clever combination of two different filters. The Flimmer filter consists of thousands of polypropylene fibers which uses mechanical and electrostatic charge to bind dust particles from the air as it flows through them. The subsequent downstream media filter traps all particles that have not yet been caught. Thanks to this combined method, patented as Flimmer M, very high quantities of solid particles are filtered from the air. What's more, the Flimmer M enjoys an extremely long life cycle. Analysis carried out shows a dramatic reduction in particle matter load. The major benefit, significantly lower cleaning costs.
We no longer have to dust down our goods. Fire extinguishers and the like are now cleaned just once a week, and every time we walk into the warehouse with a customer, we have nothing to fear about. The results are plain to see. A well-kept facility. The customer is sure to leave the warehouse with a good impression, knowing that they can entrust their consignment to us.
They know that we handle their goods with care and that we keep them clean. Thanks to Zehnder systems, dust is minimized and the goods are stored carefully, and also the customer is satisfied.
Personally, I was particularly impressed that we have made such a huge progress, and within a short period of time, we were able to see results straight after the systems had been installed. During the installation, there was a point where one section of the warehouse was complete, but the other wasn't. When you stood in the middle, it was like watching an HD screen on one side and a 20-year-old television on the other.
In the land transport sector, the differences were so striking that even customers were surprised. They said, "Why is the view so clear here? Why is that so clean?" It was not the case earlier. Quality in logistics is characterized by punctuality, reliability, and keeping up to promises. Imagine that we're a huge goods hotel. The customer hands his good over to us. We hold them in trust, handle them with care, and naturally the customer expects that when the goods are sent out, that they are in at least the same condition as when they were delivered to us, perhaps in an even better state at the exit than at their arrival. Of course, cleanliness is an important criteria here.
In essence, we're not a classic product seller. We offer a service, and in doing so, ensure that our customers are able to enjoy the benefits 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Customers of Zehnder Clean Air Solutions don't just benefit from the efficient air cleaning systems. With a monthly service fee, they also receive a full service package, which is also kind on the company's bank balance.
I was impressed and satisfied with the seamless communication, adherence to deadlines, and the installation that took place in accordance with our needs in terms of timing. Because we could not install the systems while the warehouse was in use, we were told that the installations during the weekend weren't a problem at all. They went into every detail of the operational processes, and everything worked out brilliantly. We have a highly qualified team, and because of the extremely close cooperation with the service technicians in particular, I know I can rely on them 100%. And for me, this is an incredible asset that I can offer to my customer.
We were totally convinced by Zehnder's service model, as it clearly offers better employee protection and significantly improves the quality of our service. Additionally, it also ensures greater security than we were able to render in the past. I would highly recommend it.